Today we will talk about a notebook habit that every next gen in the family business must have. Hi, I'm Angad. I'm third generation in my family business, working in the business more than 17 years, more than 400 plus team members. And after mentoring so many next gen in the family business, I know exactly where you're stuck. Your family business deserves a leader who's prepared, who's powerful, and who's respected. And that starts right here. Hi guys, welcome to episode 5, and today we will talk about a notebook habit that every next gen in the family business must have, and 5 sections in your notebook that you must have. So I still remember when I joined the family business, and I'm talking about a physical notebook, right? So back 17 years I had, Matrix की black color की एक 5 subject book आती थी with checkered this thing, not a ruled notebook, like a check notebook, square rule notebook. And I had 5 sections. I still remember very clearly because what I read then and what I realized then is what I am sharing here. The mistakes I made then is what I'm sharing here, so you don't make those mistakes. So you have 2 options. Either you make the same mistakes and lose 10 years of your life, and after 10 years, eureka, aha. Option number 2, follow what I say. Forget me, forget what I said. Follow intelligent people you think are intelligent, people you think who have accomplished something in their life, and follow their advice. Follow the advice that they tell you out of their experience. And I'll tell you a quick anecdote based on this. It's based on the survivorship bias. And इसमें क्या होता है survivorship bias में ना, हम सिर्फ वो देखते हैं कि ये यूनिकॉर्न बन गया, ये $1 billion कंपनी बन गई, ये 1000 करोड़ की कंपनी बन गई, इसकी IPO आ गया. हम सिर्फ उन कंपनीज को देखते हैं जो सक्सेसफुल होते हैं न्यूज़ में. हम सिर्फ उन एथलीट्स को देखते हैं जो एक्चुअली सेंचुरी मारते हैं, जो एक्चुअली इंडियन टीम में सिलेक्ट हो जाते हैं, जो टॉप टीम RCB, चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स में सिलेक्ट हो जाते हैं. हम सिर्फ उनको देखते हैं. और ये जो एनेक्डोट है, ये जो बायस है, इसको कहते हैं हम सर्वाइवरशिप बायस. हम उनको नहीं देखते जो फेल हो गए हैं, हम उनको नहीं देखते जो यूनिकॉर्न बनी ही नहीं, हम उनको नहीं देखते जो बिजनेसेस फेल हो गए हैं, जो क्रिकेटर्स फेल हो गए हैं, who never reached that level because only 1% people actually reached that level. So we are busy copying what those people did to reach that 1%. I'm of the opinion you should not do what those people, the mistakes that the 99% people made. So you should actually focus on the mistakes कि जो 99% लोग नहीं पहुंचे वहां तक, उन्होंने क्या ऐसी गलतियां करी कि वो वहां पे नहीं पहुंचे हैं. और इसीलिए आपको एक नोटबुक मेंटेन करनी होती है, इसलिए आपको एक अच्छा मेंटोर चाहिए, इसलिए आपको एक कोच चाहिए. अब ये वीडियो थोड़ी सी हम डाइवर्ट कर दिए हैं और हम इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं कि why you need a coach and why you should have a mentor in life. Not just in business, in life. How to navigate different aspects of life. So about survivorship bias, what I wanted to tell you was, back in the time of World War II, the British Army, if I'm not wrong, was looking at the planes that returned back from the war field. And what they noticed was the bullet holes in the planes that returned back. Then one intelligent gentleman, I'm not getting his name off the top of my head, but this intelligent gentleman actually pointed out कि यार ये तो प्लेन वो हैं जो वापस आ गए हैं, हम इनके बुलेट होल्स क्यों देख रहे हैं? क्योंकि जो प्लेन्स वापस आए हैं और इनके बुलेट होल्स जो हैं, ये एक्चुअली पार्ट्स वो हैं जो स्ट्रेंथन्ड हैं, जो एक्चुअली स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ हैं कि यहाँ पे बुलेट लगे तो प्लेन एक्चुअली वापस आया है. हमें वो पार्ट्स देखने हैं जहाँ पे बुलेट होल्स नहीं है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे अगर बुलेट्स लगी हैं तभी प्लेन्स वो डाउन हुए हैं और वो प्लेन्स वापस नहीं आए. उनके बारे में तो कोई बात ही नहीं कर रहा, उनके बारे में किसी ने सोचा ही नहीं. सो दिस वाज पार्ट 1 ऑफ द वीडियो. And let's get to the diary part, why you should maintain a notebook and the 5 elements that you should be noting down in your notebook. The first point or the first section should be what I learned today. मैंने आज क्या सीखा? आज मैं अगर फाइनेंस में बैठा हूँ तो मैंने फाइनेंस के अंदर क्या सीखा? मैंने what mistakes I learned, what mistakes I made today, what went wrong today. आज ऐसा क्या हुआ जो गलत हुआ? और end of the day मेरे आज क्या questions हैं जो मैं कल आगे पूछूंगा, मे बी अपने फादर से, अपने मैनेजर से, अपने कंसल्टेंट से, जिससे मुझे और क्लैरिटी मिलेगी बिजनेस की. The second section is the employee observation section. Now, during your course in the family business, you will come across a lot of employees. You will deal with a lot of people. एक है कि अपने फादर की सुनो कि यार फादर बोलते हैं कि ये बंदा रिलायबल है, ये बंदा अनरिलायबल है, इस बंदे के 4 फॉलोअप करने पड़ते हैं. ठीक है, वो एक सेक्शन बना दो आप कि मेरे पापा ये कहते हैं, जो 5वां सेक्शन है कि व्हाट माय फादर सेज. बट ये आपकी ऑब्जर्वेशन है. आपकी ऑब्जर्वेशन एम्प्लॉइज के बारे में क्या है? कौन रिलायबल है, कौन सही काम कर रहा है, कौन टाइमली डिलीवर कर रहा है, कौन ओवर क्वालिफाइड है अपनी पोस्ट के लिए, कौन अंडर क्वालिफाइड है आपके हिसाब से अपनी पोस्ट के लिए, एंड किसकी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स अच्छी हैं, कौन एम्पैथेटिक है, किसकी IQ अच्छा है, EQ अच्छा है. Things like that. You get to know your team. Why you need a notebook is everything should be documented. So I have a saying, whatever is not documented is not done. So you come across as a professional when you're documenting things. मुझे याद रहेगा, हाँ याद रहेगा, फ़ोन में लिख लूँगा, मतलब आप रख सकते हो फ़ोन पे, but carrying a notebook gives a different total feeler, a different sense of learning and a purpose altogether. Number 3 are financial insights. You know, during the course of the business, when you join the business, you will see certain things. So you will see certain things where you can have more margins. You will notice certain areas where your father's not been able to capture that market or capture that particular area. You may capture some leakages. So have a dedicated section for financial insights. अपने product के बारे में margins समझें, अपने product की costing समझें, and so on. Also guys, as you're aware, I am the only family business mentor in the country who's actually working in the family business. While I do this because I don't want you to make the mistakes that I made, and I just love sharing my experiences here. And if you would like to know what I do in the 12-week projects program, this is for you. So we have a robust 12-week projects program, which is partially online, partially in person. So if you're in Delhi NCR, we are located in the Golf Course Road, and you are most welcome to show up here and attend this in person. And in case you are not in around NCR, we do this also online Zoom sessions, and which is every week. And every week we have this continuous 12-week program, and end of the week you graduate as the projects program graduate from Family Managed Business Academy. And this is purely coming from the place of contribution to you, contribution to your business, and making you a strong foundation for the next 20 to 30 years of your life. Because I'm sure most of you haven't thought about it, but your family business, if you choose to join it, is your last job. So on that note, I look forward to seeing you in person someday. Happy learning. जो फोर्थ पॉइंट है वो है मिस्टेक्स लॉग. क्या गलतियाँ हुई हैं मेरे से. अब मुझे ये अच्छे से याद है कि यार हमारे स्कूल में ना एक आई थिंक आई वाज इन 4th और 5th, तो एक ना बोर्ड होता था, उस पर ब्लैक स्टार और रेड स्टार मिलते थे. तो इफ़ यू डू समथिंग गुड यू गेट अ रेड स्टार, इफ़ यू डू समथिंग बैड यू गेट अ ब्लैक स्टार. समथिंग गुड इज़ होमवर्क टाइम पे दिया, या अगर आपका A या A+ ग्रेड आता था तो आपको रेड स्टार मिलता था. अगर आप स्कूल लेट आए तो आपको ब्लैक स्टार मिलता था. आपने शूज़ पॉलिश नहीं करे तो ब्लैक स्टार मिलता था. तो ये ना एक कंसेप्ट मेरे दिमाग में तब से ही बस गया था. So this is one of the first things that I did in my businesses. I started maintaining this log of mistakes, of my mistakes and other people's mistakes, my employees' mistakes as well. So I was aware of everything. And the last point is the father's log, what my father said, what my father did, what my father preached me today, because this is worth gold. Whatever your father is preaching you, telling you, have lunch with your father every day, learn from your father every day, and make a note of everything that you're discussing with your father, because that will come in handy when you are leading the business. On that note, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.